Do you really think that the Abraham Accords that were actually started in Donald Trump's first tenure, do you see a further expansion in the near future when it comes to Abraham Accords with the normalization of ties with Israel and the other countries that do not recognize Israel till date?
Likely. Steve Witkoff is on record. He said probably a week ago, he said there are some countries, he was referring about 4 countries, that the world will be surprised they are going to join the Abraham Accords. So that is a big claim and statement made by Steve Witkoff. So our fingers are crossed and likely, but I'm sure the one country which will be part of Abraham Accords very soon will be Syria. As we have seen, there are reports of negotiation between the two countries. It was Syria which basically invited and facilitated the negotiation with the Israelis. So Israeli National Security Advisor, their foreign minister, they are involved in talks and they are going for some understanding very soon. And the only thing the Israelis said, they will hold on to the Golan Heights. There will be no compromise as far as Golan Heights is concerned. Rest, they are going to address all security and other issues. So there are likely chances. But in case of Saudi Arabia, but they have made it very clear, unless there is a two-state solution, they are not going to recognize Israel. But there are still 11 Muslim countries, they have recognized Israel. And two, they were part of Abraham Accord, the UAE and Bahrain. And subsequently, we have seen in the past Sudan, Morocco, Jordan, and Turkey was the first country which recognized Israel in 1949.
Yep, that is correct. And now we talked about the two-state solution, and Pakistan has also had a very clear position about the two-state solution, that if there is a two-state solution according to the rules laid out by the United Nations back early in the 1960s, so Pakistan will not recognize Israel until that is implemented. And even Saudi Arabia has a very strict policy laid out about the two-state solution between Israel and the state of Palestine. Same goes for Kuwait and Oman as well. So do you foresee a two-state solution, and do you think that Donald Trump, like with his past statements when he has said that he is not happy with what Israel did after he made a ceasefire deal with Israel and Iran. So do you foresee any chances of a two-state solution between the state of Palestine and Israel?
I'm optimistic. There is likely possibility. The way that President Trump is now presenting himself a man of peace, as he is now claiming he basically brokered peace between Pakistan and India, then the ceasefire between Israel and Iran, then Rwanda and Congo. And now he also claimed that there will be a ceasefire in Gaza for 2 months, and subsequently the modalities will be discussed for a long-time ceasefire. But at the same time, he also said they are also considering the two-state solution. But he was also hinting that some part of West Bank will be given to Israel. But ultimately, he said, and since he is under pressure from the European countries as well as from the Arabs, so likely they will go for a two-state solution. And most probably, this is what the Pakistan stand is, and this is what Quaid-e-Azam said initially in 1948. And that is the stance of government of Pakistan, that if they go back to 1967 position, then Pakistan may consider this one of the options. But at present, there is no such consideration or a possibility of recognizing Israel, which is involved in genocide of Gazans.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।